Hello students, in this presentation we are going to learn about family Brassicaceae, which is also known as Cruciferae family. Family Brassicaceae is represented by about 372 genera and 4060 species worldwide, whereas in India Cruciferae is represented by 64 genera and 2007 species. Few of the members belonging to family Brassicaceae that include cabbage, broccoli, and the plants like cauliflower. These few of the common members of this family. This is mustard and this is radish. The distinguishing characteristics of family Brassicaceae are as follows. Leaves are covered with fine hairs or trichomes. Flowers are ebracteate, means without bracts. Shows tetramerous symmetry. They are bisexual, actinomorphic, and hypogynous. Calyx contains four sepals. They are polysepalous and they are arranged in two whorls, two outer and two inner. Corolla contains four petals. It is polypetalous and a form of corolla is cruciform, where four petals are attached in crosswise manner. Stamens are six in number, and the condition is called as tetradynamous, where four stamens with long filaments and two stamens with short filaments. Stamens are associated with green nectaries. Carpels are two in number, that is bicarpellary. Syncarpous, ovary is superior and parietal placentation, and type of fruit is siliqua or silicula. The general characteristics of the family Brassicaceae are as follows. Habit is usually herb. Stem is herbaceous as habit you can see, which is herb. Stem is aerial, erect, cylindrical, which is circular, branched, and solid, which means filled from inside. Leaves, that is squalene and ramal, alternate, simple, exstipulate means without stipule, sessile. Lower leaves are lyrate with deeply cut margins. Here you will see that deeply cut margin is there, and this condition is called as lyrate. Apex is acute, that you can see here. Glabrous condition and pubescent condition can be seen. Glabrous where smooth condition can be seen, and here the pubescent where the epidermis shows the epidermal hairs, hairy structure can easily be seen here, and here the smooth or glabrous condition can be seen, and venation is reticulate. Inflorescence, which is a racemose type and its subtype is raceme, where old flowers are present at the base and younger flowers are present at the apex. Flowers are ebracteate, means without bract, pedicellate. Here you can easily see the pedicel. Complete, as it includes calyx, corolla, androecium as well as gynoecium. Actinomorphic means it has symmetry from all different possible planes. It is bisexual as Androecium, gynoecium, both are present in same flower. It is tetramerous as it shows symmetry in four planes, or you can call like the floral whorls are in the multiple of 4, and hypogynous condition means ovary is superior. Calyx, the member of calyx is sepal, which are 4 in number, 2 outer and 2 inner. Polysepalous, slightly petaloid. Corolla, the member of corolla is petal, which are 4 in number. Polypetalous, cruciform. Each petal is distinguished into claw and limb and valvate estivation. Here in this petal, you can see a stalk-like structure that is called as a claw, and the wide structure that is called as limb. And valvate estivation can be seen in this figure, where at the margins of the floral part there is no overlapping, which can clearly be seen in these gaps, that there is no any overlapping pattern. And cruciform means there are 4 petals. This is one, opposite to that is another, then this is another, and opposite to that another structure is there, and they are in front of each other, arranged in crosswise manner, and this kind of corolla is called as a cruciform corolla. Androecium, the member of androecium is called as stamen, and which are 6 in number. They are present in 2 whorls. Out of that, one shows 2 short stamens, and inner side 4 longer stamens. They are polyandrous, means free from one another. This condition is tetradynamous, where 4 filaments are longer and 2 filaments are shorter. Shorter are outer side and longer are inner side, and these 4 are longer in size. This condition is called as a tetradynamous. 4 inner stamens long and 2 outer stamens short. They are dithecous condition, where 2 anther lobes are there and the filament. This is one and this is another. This condition is called as a dithecous. This is basifixed, as it is fixed at the base. They are intrors, means the line of dehiscence is there, and if that line is facing towards inner side of the flower, that condition is called as the intros conditions, and the glands are present at the base of 4 longer stamens. Then the gynoecium, the member is carpel, and which is bicarpellary. It is syncarpous. Ovary is superior. Unilocular, this locule representing the number of chambers. So number of chambers, that is 1, hence called as a unilocular, but becomes bilocular later on due to the development of false septum. This false septum is called as a raflum, which we'll see in the next slide. Ovules many in each locule. Parietal placentation. Here parietal placentation can be seen. This is peripheral part of the ovary, and the ovules are attached to the periphery of the ovary, so that this is called as a parietal placentation. This diagram is not of this family, but it is truly representing the concept of parietal placentation. Style short, stigma is bilobed, and fruit is siliqua. This type we'll understand in next slide. The siliqua is a kind of fruit which is formed from bilocular or bicarpellary ovary. A bilocular simple dry multiseeded fruit which is developed from bicarpellary ovary having parietal placentation and false septum. Here you can easily see that this is one side of the fruit that is called as a valve of a carpel. This is another valve of the carpel, this one and this one. And this middle part is there that is called as a false septum. Here that is called as a rhapellum. If you see both the sides, this is one side where seeds are attached to it, and another side is there which is back side of this. The seeds are also attached to the back side also. Here you can see one side, and here you can see another side. And here clear cut view, this is valve of one side, this is valve of another side, and this is the middle part which is attached to the pedicel. This part is called as a false septum or rhapellum, and on one side, this side, the seeds are remaining attached, and on another side also, back side also, seeds are attached. So at the dehiscence, seeds remains attached with the rhapellum instead of being attached to this valve, and this kind of fruit is called as a siliqua, and this one is mother axis. Systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Class Dicotyledone because leaves are with reticulate venation. Subclass Polypetalae as it is represented by free petals. Series Thalamiflorae as flowers are hypogynous and stamens are many in number. Order Parietals as carpels united to form unilocular ovary and parietal placentation, and family Brassicaceae or Cruciferae, whose reasons are already learned in the beginning, and some of the economically important plants belonging to family Brassicaceae, which are Brassica oleracea botrytis, which is cauliflower, Brassica oleracea capitata, which is cabbage, Raphanus sativus, that is radish, which are used as vegetables, Brassica campestris, which is mustard, and it produces edible oil. Brassica nigra, that is black mustard. Brassica hirta, that is white mustard, which are used in pickles. Leaves and stem of vegetable yielding plants can also be used as fodder. Roripa indica has properties to cure asthma, so which is used as a medicinal plant. The extract of Capsula bursa has the properties to control hemorrhage. The leaves of Lepidium sativum are used against skin diseases like syphilis. Iberis amara, that is candy tuft, which is grown as ornamental plant, and extracted oil from mustard seed is used for cooking. So these are some of the economically important plants from family Brassicaceae. Thank you.